Hey guys, John at Fix a Fence. I got another copy of Fence News, November magazine. I know I'm kind of late, but better late than never, right? Let's uh let's take a walk through this magazine here. Check this out. I'll turn you around here so that way kind of look at it here. There's a World Fencing News, right? Bam. Let's take a walk through this here. I don't know if you can see, probably see my decks more than anything, but let's see. So it's a big magazine. I mean, think about that. That's huge. So they got some adjustable rollers here. Abbey Hardware is a big contributor. So they were like up front, man. My goodness. Second Seco Alarm rather. It's like a curtain barrier or something like that. Okay, invisible security fencing. Okay. Stevens Pipe and Steel. Check it out. There's a QR code if you want to scan that for these guys, if you need any pipe. And then, of course, there's a table of contents right there. Chain Link Fencing Supply Group. My goodness, look at all that good stuff, what they do. There's an AFA summer camp, a recap, apparently. So there's that summer camp I was telling you about last month's. And anyways, so yeah, these are all the sponsors here, the people that are promoting that stuff. I mean, my goodness, look at all this stuff. Gate operators, Jareth Liberty Aluminum. Here's a little thing here. How fence companies can support and empower veterans. Well, I might have to read that one. I'm a veteran. Who knows? Let's see. So as the fencing industry continues to grow, finding skilled, dependable employees has become one of the biggest challenges for company owners and managers. One powerful, often overlooked workforce solution is hiring and supporting U.S. military veterans. Veterans bring unmatched leadership, teamwork, discipline, and technical know-how, qualities which align perfectly with the demands of construction, fabrication, logistics, and field work. Yet many veterans leave service without accessing the full range of benefits they've earned, often due to complexity of the VA system. Oh my goodness, I know I'm going through that right now as for knee surgery. My goodness, I'm in like a 8-year waiting line to get a couple of knees. But that's where organizations such as Veteran Benefit Advisors step to help veterans employees thrive. But anyway, I guess if you want to learn more, there's the website right there. Okay, it's veteransbenefitsadvisors.com. Veteransbenefitsadvisors.com. If you're a veteran, check that out. My goodness, man, there's probably lots of good stuff there for us veterans. Yeah, but I'm in like I said, a 9-year waiting line. My goodness, for a couple of knees. So, like I said on the last time, you're only as good as your stain. The line for fences around here is 5 to 7 weeks, but there's lots of good stuff in here. Oh, I wanted to get down here. There's Pole Barn Fence Factory Manufacturing and Expansion in India County. So if you guys are in India County, there may be some job opportunity there for you guys. And I hope I'm not getting this too close to you guys. Maybe you can read it or not. I don't know. Maybe I'm too going fast. But this is the first time I've done it this way. But this is what I wanted to get to right here, is the employment opportunity for you guys. Okay. So there you go. If you can read it, go ahead. Bedafence is a fast-growing company dedicated to delivering exceptional products and services to our customers. We currently seeking results-driven and highly motivated sales manager to join our team and help us drive revenue growth and build strong customer relationships. So there's your key responsibilities. If you can read it without the shadow there, there's your key responsibilities. This is what they're looking for. Okay. And what we offer: a competitive base salary, commissions, career growth opportunities in a dynamic, supporting environment, ongoing training and professional development, health, dental, and vision, other benefits, 401k, employer match, paid life insurance, long-term and short-term disability, paid time off, flexible work options. Who the heck would offer something like that? Come on, man. So if you're looking for that, I mean, these guys are offering something really good if you know what you're doing. Get out there and grab that job, wherever it's at. Benefactor, Bedafence. It doesn't even say where it's at. How the heck are we supposed to get oh, wait a minute. Here we go. Down here at the bottom. If you'd like to get more information and how to apply, please send an email to Hiring USA at Presidiad, PRAESIDIAD.com. Okay, there you go. Another one over here, classified ads, positions wanted, employment opportunities, equipment. Oh, I see. That's the ad rates. If you want to put an ad in there. Yeah. If you want to put an ad in there, get a hold of Katie at fencenews.com. I mean, my goodness, man. This is a cool little thing. Employment opportunity. There you go. North Carolina Commercial Fence Company is looking for subcontractors. Call 704-922-8471 or email Haley at gastonfence.com. Okay. They're looking for subcontractors. Obviously, here's the other one for last time, the gate operator installation. So High Security is still hiring technical support specialists. So get a hold of them people. And then again at the last one here, obviously, Master Halco. Master Halco. Man, they've been in business for a long time. Master Halco. So, but anyway, yeah. Wow, we went in 8 minutes on this one. No, probably didn't. I probably wasted about 5 minutes on the first one. But yeah, but anyway, hey, John and Fix a Fence, I just wanted to get you, the fence news here. And this is the November issue. And maybe I'll come up with another video about the veterans guys. That's pretty doggone cool, what they're doing for veterans. And yeah, we need more of that, We need more of that. But anyway, one step at a time, right? Like I said, I'm in the line, and I'm taking my time. I am taking my time because it's not easy getting up out of this chair and moving from one place to the other. But I do it. I do it because I got to get through it, So, but one thing for sure, what I found out with my knees being so painful and bone on bone. It takes me longer to do things, to get places. So I have to time myself, before I just get boom, 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 boom. No, not now. It's like, okay, I got to do this. And then it's strategic, I try to make every step count, every move count, or every time I tell my employees to go do something, I make sure that it counts. Because anyway, so that was less trips, less stress and all that good stuff. But anyway, hey, John at Fix a Fence, I just thought I'd come to you, with this fence news here. Sorry, but I've been busy. It's amazing how fast this little company, how fast we get busy. I mean, my goodness, I've been doing 3 or 4 estimates a day. And a lot of it's due to this wind damage. Or a lot of and then cars driving into fences too. My goodness, man, we just picked up this one about 70 feet. A car plowed through it at an apartment complex. This other one at a Buddhist temple plowed out about another 30 feet plus a slide gate. And it's got some spikes on top. I had to order that from Amazon. So, but yeah, and I just tell you, all these little jobs, and then some of this jobs. I got this one job, kind of a stupid. Well, I don't want to call it stupid, but whoever installed it, I think their heart was in the right place, but they didn't get the right material. They got those little those flange posts that you see at Home Depot, right? And it's only got about 3 to 4 inches of post in there, and it's just not for a fence, okay? Those are meant for probably like a structure, so it's not going to be moving. This was on a fence, and the whole doggone thing's a slated, man. So I had to get some of those, and I'm not, there's no room there for this fence to be moved over. So I had to come up with this. They got those post repair kits on Amazon too, that look like that, right? They kind of metal, right? And they got some screws to go in there, and so you just drill it out. Well, anyway, I got 11 of those. I got the job, so I had to purchase 11 of them off Amazon, and but we'll straighten that fence up. My goodness, I can't believe what people do. They just don't put thought into it, I guess. Think of it. There's thought there, but it's like longevity thought. What they should have done, to be honest with you, if they were thinking about it, they would have side mounted some steel posts, right, to the side of the wood of the concrete wall, right, and built a fence on that. Okay, that's what I would have done in the first place, instead of using wood posts and a concrete wall. We all know wood posts are going to rot. Come on, man. Quit selling the customers garbage. Right? Come on. What kind of a name are you putting out there for yourself anyway? Huh? Come on. Fix a Fence LLC. Keep smiling. Have a great day.